Hello again, and thank you for joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Well, this is just another update, and I won't be probably doing any more till the shed comes. There's still no sign of that, possibly another couple of weeks. So if it doesn't come next week when I'm off, I'll probably be painting the fence outside. But yeah, so I've still got this to clear up. But the main thing is, after exactly 4 weeks to the day, finally back onto four wheels again. So have a quick look, and you can see my handover, which I just did yesterday, and the car's been great. So have a little look at my little handover. So back on four wheels, another step forward with the recovery from the fire. Well, here we are, another stage in my fire recovery. This is MGA car sales in Sunbury-on-Thames, and I've finally managed to get another car. It's actually 4 weeks to the day. So this is what we've gone for. I didn't get as much from the insurance as expected, but I've gone for this one, which is basically a smaller one like the HS, but instead of being hybrid, this is fully electric. So I thought, well, I might as well go for a change. It's the same year, but for what insurance were giving me, there was no way I could get a one at the same sort of age. So I've gone for this, a different colour now. I thought the white was unlucky, so it's all been cleaned and polished. It's only got about 6,000 miles on it. So we'll do a little handover now with the keys. You can see Rob and the manager, and come and see my handover. Right, here we go. This is Rob. He's one of the sales advisors here at MGA. Just to let you know, they've also got another place at Walton-on-Thames, but this is at Sunbury-on-Thames. If you would like a special deal, come and see him, and they will definitely look after you. It's been absolutely excellent service. I can't fault them. It's been absolutely wonderful. So this is the key handover. This is a little bit like Minder, half a daily, and well, nothing like
no trilby hat, I'm afraid.
and nothing like Dennis Waterman. But never mind. There we go for the key handover.
Right then, so Jeff, thank you for coming to MJA in your time of need, and I'm really glad to have helped you out. Obviously, with the fire, it wasn't ideal, was it?
No, it wasn't.
But
no.
If you can try and not set fire to this particular car,
I certainly will.
Enjoy your new MG, sir.
That's wonderful.
No, that's brilliant.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for your business.
Yes.
To say at MJA, we've got a site here in Walton, we've got a site here in Sunbury. We do other cars other than electric vehicles, and we generally start from around £7,000 to £8,000. We cover all the non-ULEZ market by selling ULEZ vehicles. So yeah, come down and see me or any of the team here at Sunbury, and say thank you, Jeff, for coming down to see me.
Thank you very much. Right,
Brilliant.
Okay, that's it then. We've got a car again, thank God. 4 weeks to the day. Well, that was yesterday, and it's been absolutely fantastic, and it's just nice to have a car back rather than the burnt out wreck. Now, the other thing I'm just going to show you is down here, Jenny has now got her, well, I don't know what you'd call it, it's a new window built in there now. She might turn up in a minute. Is she? I don't know, bear with me. No, she's still the other side there, but she loves this. We call it a submarine porthole, but she can actually now look in there now and can see both sides. So that was her biggest loss from the fire, was her window. So she's very happy with that now. And there we are, there it is from the other side. So she's got a nice little view out there. She can see both ways now, instead of just looking through one bit of window. Well, there we go. That was all yesterday from the car. Her window's in now. And I said there's not really much I can update. All I'm going to do is paint the fence next week if the on the other side, if the fence doesn't arrive. I've been ordering a few bits and pieces as I need it, so the house is now getting a little bit full, so I will be glad when the shed comes. I will, as I say, update you. As soon as I get the shed, I'll update you, but there's just nothing really for me to do apart from catch up with doing fences and that painting until the fence or until the shed comes. So once again, thank you for your help and everything again. So I'm still getting these tools slowly, and then once the shed comes I can get perhaps some of the larger ones. So I'll come back to you once the shed's done. But please keep checking out some of our old videos, and thank you to everyone that subscribed. It's very much appreciated. So you take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you to everybody for helping me out with my submarine window. Thank you very much.